My name is Joey Kramer. I'm here today to help people connect. Loading up, here we go! That's the greatest sound. I've loved cars my whole life. Hey man. Oh God, I've been into cars since I'm like 10 years old. I used to make models when I was a kid, play them in my room, you know, up on the shelves, on the wall. Oh, it was nuts. I was so into it. My first car was a 1966 GTO.
Pontiac GTO for 66, 6.5 liters of young Tiger.
And I had that car when we first started the band. I think gas was like 35 or 40 cents a gallon. And I drove it every day, parked it in front of my apartment. Cops called me one day because it got stolen, abandoned, and burnt. I was heartbroken. That's the whole story of my 1966 GTO. But man, I love that car. My mom's station wagon, that was a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 station wagon.
Who but Ford would come up with this twin-facing rear seat arrangement? Roomy enough to hold as many as 4 children.
It was the car that Aerosmith ran our gear around in for every gig. It was all that we had. It was my mom's car, and we bought it from her. And it was like one of the first years where they had the tailgate of the station wagon open this way and this way.
This is Ford's magic door gate. Opens like a tailgate and opens like a door.
Tom and Joe and Brad dropped me off in front of my apartment one night in Boston on Common Ave, and I had to go back out to go across the street to get something to drink. I came outside, and there was the 3 of them hunched over like this, holding the gate, the tailgate, in their arms between the 3 of them, because they went to open it up, and the damn thing fell off. I just laughed and kept on my way, because they didn't see me, so I didn't say anything about it. I just kept going. I'm really excited about being the official coffee of 3DP. Shane, the co-founder, is really, really a good guy. He's the kind of people that I like to be involved with because they're family oriented. They're associated with different companies that do performance mod on all their cars. It's all families, all different families. So to be part of that is something that I've kind of always wanted to do. This kind of fills that for me. And I love it. I'm really excited about it. And they're all about giving back and helping people out. Especially they have to do with an organization called Fall Outdoors, which helps veterans, which I'm really even more excited about because they help veterans put fun back in their lives via boating, camping, fishing, having fun. And to me, that's a great thing. I met today a guy by the name of Jay who happens to be a veteran, and he told me a bit of his story. And the guy was reaching out for help, and he and I connected and hugged and talked and exchanged stories. It helps me to realize that I'm giving back. It's my way of giving back. This is important stuff, so I'm here to help. I love coffee, I love people, I love bringing them all together. Keyword, connection. That's what I love.